Welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while, and this is the first video, which is introduction to SMC. Let's run through the intro, and then we'll come back. Then we go through the disclaimer. Then we'll come back to the video.
Salam alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Salam alaikum.
Welcome back, traders. So, as you can see, the topic, welcome to smart money concept. We're going to dive deeper into smart money concept, explaining how it works and why we trade smart money concept. Smart money concept has been here for about 10 decades, not 10 decades, a decade, pardon. It's been around for a decade. So let's go into it. What is smart money concept? You might have heard it about somewhere else on social medias, for instance, Instagram, Facebook, and so on, YouTube, TikTok. You might have heard it somewhere else. Yeah, you've been hearing people saying smart money concept and so whatsoever. SMC stands for smart money concept. It's a powerful trading strategy that can help traders identify key levels in the market. If you're talking about key levels, we're talking about supply and demand zones, resistance levels, support and resistance levels, and liquidity levels. It also allows traders to also identify zone of liquidity. As I mentioned, the zone of liquidity. I will make if you don't know what liquidity is, I will make a video of liquidity in the near future, inshallah. The mostly traders, they mostly trade with supply and demand of the market. SMC traders mostly trade the supply and demand of the market. So that's what it means. Okay, how smart money concept works. You identify supply and demand zones in the market. As you can see there, we have identified a demand zone on EuroCAD on the 4-hour time frame. That's the demand zone of the market. When the price reached the demand zone, the price reacted very beautifully. So you also identify your support and resistance zones in the market. As you can see here, I've identified the support zone. As you can see, when it reaches support zone, how the market reacted. It's still the same. It's the same charts, but different concepts, different ways. Support and demand zone. As you can see, it's the same charts but different concepts. Okay, let's go in. Why we trade smart money concept? It helps you identify the big market players. For example, the banks, the hedge funds, the insurance companies, and many more. They are known as the market players of the market. They're the one who take our money. They see us retail traders are okay, cool. They're gonna put their money where. So let's just put an order here and let's just take the money and wipe the money off. That's what they call liquidity. Where the money is, it's where they take the money. It also helps traders identify key levels in the markets: supply and demand zone, support and resistance zones, and liquidity zones. I usually use support and resistance zones as my liquidity levels, because I don't usually trade support and resistance in my SMC strategy. But it's also there, but I don't usually trade it. I personally don't use it and I don't usually trade it. It also helps traders to identify the market structure. The market structure meaning by uptrend, downtrend, side range, sideways. It's the same as side range. It's the same as ranging markets. So when you know the SMC, you will know about the market structure, where the market is going, whether it's going down, up. For you to know the demand of the market, you should know where the market is going, so you can know if the market is in the demand or in the supply. Pardon. So okay, thank you guys. I will drop more videos about diving deeper into every section that I've talked about in the liquidity and many more, and to find also the best POIs known as point of interest or support supply and demand zones, and I'm going to identify the liquidity zones and in the next video. See you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions. If you want the power slide, let me know in the comment down section below, and I'll link the WhatsApp group of our group down below if you want to get access to the PowerPoint slide. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.
Salam alaikum.